What's up everyone, it's Janvor's new video, and in this one I will tell you, dear Instagram users, photographers, but regardless, that we have a serious problem with the AI content, but from a little bit different perspective than you might think. Let's talk! Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, very glad you're here, and yeah, the AI is an issue. Well, you say like it's crazy and you're a photographer, it will take your job. Well, maybe, but this is not the issue I would like to stress out. As you know that Instagram introduced this AI mark that you can tag your post if they are AI made. So the users who are just watching the feed and watching the Instagram and checking what's going on and what's there, what they like, what they prefer, that they know that this is a real world and this is an AI world. Why is it there? Well, somehow and sometimes it's very hard to distinguish. And very recently it happened to me. I did a video for my other YouTube channel which is in Czech, so it's not that international, but the topic is the same, it's photography. And I was doing my 5 Instagram profiles I'm watching from the world and recommended it, and also 5 from Czech Republic. The thing is that, and the reason why I did it, it's a little bit funny because I wanted my feed to be filled with photography again, and I overrided Instagram, so now my feed really works. Recommend it. Follow more users, follow more photographers, follow more photography. Watch photography, try to avoid anything else, and the feed will be photography only. I promise you that. If you won't focus on it, you will watch all the random videos, funny stuff and so on. Photography will be gone. So this is a little simple override how you can achieve it. But in this video I posted a guy from Ukraine, amazing, talented creator, who I really think he was making amazing Photoshop edits. Well, it turned out it's an AI and he was using Midjourney and then Lightroom edits. And I thought it's a photography. I thought it's a real thing because it looks real, dreamy, but real. Extremely hard to distinguish because already these AI models, it feels like they have real emotion in their face. And yeah, hard to distinguish this. And I don't actually mind it's an AI. Good, because the art behind it, it's really nice, good ideas, amazing images, lovely. So many creators like this. And I found out that most of those creators actually, they are not using this AI sheet. And the reason, in my opinion, is that they don't want people to distinguish this word. And I think Instagram should help us to do it. Because first of all, I don't want to feel like a fool, and I want to concentrate on things which I know what they are. And I might even concentrate on AI. It's fine. In my opinion, it's fine. It exists. And it's another instrument to create stuff. Brilliant. Just let us know this is not made by a human, by the craft. There is nothing in it, you know. It's a prompt. Make it AI. It's fine. But there is a thing why those artists are afraid to tag it with AI. I think they are afraid that people will not watch it. And maybe they are right, but still, as a consumer, I don't want to be fooled. I just don't want to be fooled. And I think Instagram should really work about it to really be sure that those people are tagging their Instagram profiles or the posts they are doing in AI as an AI. Not to be a shameful thing, but I, as a user, I want to really, I need already this to distinguish sometimes because it's getting more and more real, and I don't want to be a fool. I want to know what I'm watching. I want to know, this is AI. Wow, cool idea. And this is real, good or bad photography. But I want to know. Please, Instagram, really make this happen, because otherwise, in my opinion, this is a serious problem, serious issue, which will not really help the creators, for example, as photographers, to gain their confidence. Because if they will fight with this perfection, okay, they can fight imperfection. But I saw, for example, this, and this is exactly done as an imperfection. It's an amazing idea. It's cool. I like the storytelling in it, but it's not real. So make the distinguish. Like for sure, I think this should be like mandatory. If you don't do it, the profile doesn't exist, or just tag it. Where is the problem? The problem is that the users, when they will see AI, they would maybe feel, oh, this is not real. And yeah, they can think a little bit that it might not be real, but, and I think we should really make those rules through, but maybe you have different opinion. So write it in the comments below. I'm extremely curious about your opinion about this topic. Well, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.